The easy hang system installs with 3 easy steps. Draw a plumb line on the wall, attach the brackets to the back of the jamb, and then fasten the door to the wall. The easy hang kit comes with 7 brackets and all the fastening hardware needed. Once you have a bracket attached to the top of the door jamb, next you'll be attaching one under each hinge. Move over to the latch side of the door and attach the remaining 3 brackets. The first bracket gets attached about 8 to 10 inches down from the top of the door. Attach another a few inches above the latch hole. The measurement doesn't have to be exact. The final bracket gets placed about 6 to 8 inches up from the bottom of the door. Now we're ready to set the door in the rough opening. The door gets fastened to the wall with the long screws that are provided. Match a reference line on the bracket with the plumb line that you drew earlier. There are 2 lines, but just pick one. Use the same line for all the remaining brackets down the inside of the door. If your line was drawn perfectly plumb, this will automatically plumb the door. Check each corner of the door to make sure that your space is equal between them. Finish up the remaining brackets by adjusting the gap between the door and your jamb. With any heavy doors, always remove the center hinge screw and replace it with a longer 2.5-inch screw.